Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the creative Fabrica. Is it really worth to actually purchase the illustrations or graphics or fonts from this platform for you to make your own print-on-demand designs or the Redbubble designs? I'm going to talk about, and we're just going to cover some other platform as well that are similar to the creative Fabrica, and we're just going to see which platform is best for buying these graphics to create your own print-on-demand design. So let's get straight into the video guys. Before going to the good part, consider clicking on the like button. I'll really appreciate that. And also, if you want the free guide, the 60 plus free niches guide, the link of the free guide in the description box below. And also, if you want the free graphics for making your own print-on-demand designs, both these links are in the description box below. You can download it completely for free. Now let's get a bunch of videos talking about the creative Fabrica on my channel. Like most of my videos were like being from a seller perspective, because I am wearing the two hats, as a seller as well as a buyer as well. So most of them were as a seller, but I really want to talk about this buyer perspective as well, so that if any of one of you was looking for actually getting the graphics for making a print-on-demand design, that it would be useful for you as well. And I'm going to share my experience with the platform, and we're going to compare the other platform as well and all that. So talking about the creative Fabrica, if you want to check all those videos out, I'm going to all the complete playlist of the creative Fabrica videos in the card section above guys. You can check it out for yourself. But let me tell you, like, if you are a graphic designer or if you are an artist, you very well know that it actually takes a really long time to make a piece of artwork, and then finally converting that piece of artwork for into a design that can be placed on the print-on-demand product. Like if I'm actually go and create a graphite realistic portrait or make a watercolor artwork, it might take me like 3 to 4 hours to create that artwork. If I'm not going into too much detailing. If I'm going into detailing, then obviously it's going to take me a really long time, and then I need to convert that traditional artwork into the digital artwork in the Photoshop, editing it and all those things, finally making it ready for me to upload it onto the print-on-demand design. So creating that one single piece of an artwork really taking me a long time, and then I'm uploading onto the print-on-demand design. So if I'm just gonna have to upload multiple different designs on these platforms, then it will really going to take me a long time to create the designs, create the artwork, and then uploading it. So at times we feel like, what if we get the ready-made designs, or what if we get the ready-made graphics from someone who have made them, and we get the full commercial license to use them in our own designs? That would be helpful, isn't it guys? And even if you don't know how to do the designing or how to do an artwork, helpful for you as well. And you would be thinking that who are gonna give me the artwork or the designs at just a minimal cost and having a full commercial license? Well, it's there for the creative Fabrica. Right now the creative Fabrica is having Easter's deal. They are giving the full month subscription at just $1. You can very well go and check it out guys. Like, you have access to so many graphics and illustrations on the platform at just $1. I guess it's for first month. It's their Easter deal right now going, so you can very well go and access that. But guys, I want to talk about the different platform. Like similar to the creative Fabrica, there is also the creative market is there, Hungry JPEG is there, and also on the Etsy, if you go and check, there are many designers and artists selling on the Etsy as well. So now I'm gonna compare the creative Fabrica with other platform like the creative market, the Etsy, design bundles, Hungry JPEG. All these platforms are kind of like similar to the creative Fabrica, but there is a huge major difference between these platforms and the creative Fabrica, that the creative Fabrica has a subscription platform and these platforms don't have a subscription. That means you need to purchase every single product you want or every single illustrations or graphics from these platforms. But the creative Fabrica have an awesome subscription. Like you can subscribe for 1 month and get access to all the things that they have on their platform, which is pretty awesome. Like you don't need to pay much money to buy these graphics from the creative Fabrica. In case of the other platform, you need to pay a lot. And if you go into the creative market, I think they have if you go into the creative market, they have the different kinds of licensing, like the personal use, commercial use, and so on and so forth. Like they have the different kinds of things. You are getting access to one bundle or one single illustration, whatever it is, at that $1, and there is no subscription platform. You need to buy each and every individual product, which might cost you much money And if you just go into the Creative Fabrica, it would be cheaper, guys. It would be really cheaper because you are just paying a few bucks a month and getting access to all the things they have on their platform. In case of the other platform, you need to purchase every single product. You need to purchase every single illustrations or fonts, so which might be a little bit costly. So that's why I think that Creative Fabrica is really worth it. And also they have the commercial license that you can use their platform. You can use the designs for the print on demand. They have a separate section as a print on demand. You can very well go out there and check their terms and conditions. I have already made a video talking about the terms and conditions and usage on the Creative Fabrica. You can check in the card section above, guys, but you can also go and read over there, and they have a separate section of the print on demand. So I would say that Creative Fabrica is much more worth it than if you're going on the creative market, because on the creative market you need to pay much money to buy the graphics. In comparison to the Creative Fabrica, it's much more cheaper, and also you are getting the commercial license to use them. And also Creative Fabrica contains so beautiful graphics and illustrations and fonts. Like, they have the millions of graphics, and it's a pretty awesome platform to get the cool graphics and designs for your print on demand design. So I would really recommend you to go and check it out, the Creative Fabrica, for yourself. If you are new to this platform and you are not aware of it, then I would really tell you to go on this platform. And even if you're not ready to buy the subscription, you can very well check out the freebie section and can download those freebies and can see that they are really worth it. And then if you are ready to purchase with their subscription, then very well you can go with that. But it depends on you guys, but that's my own personal opinion, because this platform is emerged new, like in 2016 only it's emerged. So before that there wasn't such platform, and they are having a subscription which is completely new to other graphic platform as well. Another platform, the subscription model is not there. So that's why I think that Creative Fabrica is really worth it, even as a seller perspective as well, even as a buyer perspective as well. Like, I have purchased few of the fonts and few of the graphics from there. Although I upload more designs as well, but at times I also purchase them because I really like the content of the designs they have on the platform. They are so amazing and beautiful designs, and these designers are creating awesome things. So sometimes I feel like I need to purchase them. They are so beautiful, and then use them for my art printables or for my own creative projects or whatever it is. But I really love these kind of stuffs. So that's my honest review about the Creative Fabrica in terms of using those designs and graphics they have on the platform for Redbubble or for print on demand designs. And if you are an artisan designer and you want your 100% authentic design, then very well you can make that, guys. There are so many tools out there. You can create the traditional artwork, or you can go with the Procreate app, or even if you don't have a Procreate app, you can have a various different drawing apps or designing apps over there, which you can download on the iPad or on the Android as well, and can use the stylus and can create these beautiful pieces of artwork. It's all depend on you guys, but I think that if you want the cool graphics, Creative Fabrica is really worth it. A link of this Creative Fabrica in the description box below, the link of it. You can very well go and check it out. If you're completely new to this platform, I want to tell you, you can go and check it out, the freebie section. You will really going to love it. Now, apart from that, if I'm just compared it with the Canva as well, guys, because Canva and Trello are also designing softwares and platform out there which you can use it. Like, they have both the free and the premium plan. Both plans are there. You can very well use the Canva for the free as well. And then if you want to purchase them, then you can also purchase them. The Canva, and you see that so many people are actually using the free graphics from the Canva, and so there is not new graphics out there. So if you want the new cool graphics, then checking out the Creative Fabrica is really worth it. Even if you go with the freebie section, you're gonna get so many freebies, guys. You can download it. So I think that Creative Fabrica is worth it. Also, Canva is not that bad. Canva is my favorite tool. Apart from the Photoshop, if I don't want to go into the professional tool of the designing, and if I just want the quick result, Canva is the best for designing purpose. If you're a complete newbie to the designing world and you just don't want to invest so much time into designing, and you just want to make the quick design, then the Canva is the perfect for that. On the free graphics, then you can very well go into the freebie section of the Creative Fabric and you can download these freebies. They have the cool graphics, the KDP interiors, the illustrations, the digital papers, the wrapping papers, then the fonts, the embroidery design, the crochet design, and there is so much there on their platform. So it depends on you guys. So that's my thinking about the Creative Fabrica right now, and I really love this platform. Like being a buyer and being a seller, I see that if you're a seller on this platform is awesome, like really awesome. They have a so easy interface to upload your artwork. The payout section is quite easy. You're getting paid out quite easily. There is no much big hassle there right now on this platform. So I think that being a seller or being a buyer, Creative Fabrica is the best platform that you can get it. So that's my thinking about the Creative Fabrica. Let me know what you think about it. Are you using Creative Fabrica? Do you really liking this platform or not? What are your views about it? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.